Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 3 potential altcoins to buy at the end of September. So as we can see here in the past 24 hours, the market has been pretty green. We are up about 3.18%. Our top gainer is up 32.9%. Highest volume like usual being Bitcoin. Right behind Bitcoin we have Ethereum and then everything else as well. So right now the market is looking green like we said, and that is a positive thing for us. Making a little bit of a recovery from that, flash crash type situation that we saw past, 2 or 3 weeks, and then another sell-off that we saw at the beginning of this week as well. So right now, Bitcoin is up 2.67%, trading around this 45,000 area. Ethereum's up about 1%, trading at around this 3,100 area. And then we see these altcoins up 3%, 1%, 4%. It depends on which altcoin you're looking at, but they're all pretty much green. And then we have some that are down a little bit as well. So we have those outliers that are, on the downside. But obviously, there's always an opportunity, and you just got to go out there and find it. So before we go out there and find it, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a video. And as always, if you want to sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links going to be in the description for that as well. Now let's get into it, guys. So the first altcoin we're going to be talking about on this video is going to be Polkadot DOT. Polkadot is currently trading at around $32.71. It is up about 4.5% in the past 24 hours, trading very nicely here. In the past week, we are down about almost 8% in the red, hitting lows at one point at $25.50 here on September 21st. Then we look at the 1 month chart, we are actually up 17%. And here's that flash crash that we were talking about on September 7th. We went from $35 all the way down here to lows of 22. We recovered. We recovered all the way up here to highs of 38. And then we saw this other, sell off here going this week all the way down to about lows of about 26, like we said. And then we're seeing a little bit of a recovery again. So in the past year, this one is up 646% from lows of $4 last year, hitting highs here in May at $50, pulled back down all the way to about $10 or so in July. And then obviously from that $10 area, we went up to close to $40. So almost a 300% gain here in a matter of a month and a half on Polkadot. It's been performing very well with the rest of the crypto market, obviously. As the large cap coins tend to go on higher, the mid cap and the low cap coins tend to follow those same patterns and continue to go higher as well. Right now, market cap on this one is 32.7 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 2.2 billion, which is lower than the previous data we saw. Now, typical hold time for this one is 23 days. We have trading activity right here, 68% buy, 32% sell, and it is the number 6 coin by popularity. So that is obviously a good thing for Polkadot as well, because it's getting up there, which means it's going to gain more volume and different, eyes will be on it as well. So Polkadot is a protocol that enables cross-chain blockchain transfers of any type of data or asset by uniting multiple blockchains. Now, Polkadot aims to achieve high degrees of security and scalability. DOT serves as the protocol's governance token that can be used for staking to secure the new network or to connect the new chains. So how does it work? Well, Polkadot uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism to secure the network, verify transactions, and certify and distribute the new DOT. There are several ways DOT holders can interact with the the staking system. Now, depending on how much time, technical knowledge, and money they want to devote by staking and participating in the network, you may be able to receive DOT rewards. So staking is definitely one of those popular things that a lot of traders do, especially the ones that are willing to risk it and I guess hold for a long period of time. So the longer you have right there, the more you can get back by staking your DOT. So keep in mind that the reason Polkadot can process all of this information is because the many parachains do a lot of the heavy lifting for the main relay chain. As a result, the Polkadot network can process more than 1,000 transactions per second compared to about 7 for Bitcoin and 30 for Ethereum. As the networks grow and more parachains are added, Polkadot should be even faster and faster with the speeds that could hit 1 million transactions per second, which is just an extreme speed right there. So Polkadot definitely has so much potential in the future and a lot more growth as long as we continue to grow higher and higher and continue to have these good things back the cryptocurrency up, I guess you could say. So Polkadot, could we be going higher? I definitely think so. In the future, we'll definitely be seeing Polkadot continue to go higher, and definitely it is one to be adding to your radar to see how it's going to perform in the near future. So Polkadot coming in at the number 1 spot. Number 2 spot is going to be Terra, also known as Luna. So you guys should be familiar with this one. It is up about 5% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $35.18. In the past week, we are down 6%, hitting lows at one point at $24. And, after that, we made a little bit of recovery. Now, in the past month, it's up 17%. Flash crash situation that we saw here, it went from $32 all the way to lows of about $23. So, that's about almost a $10 loss. And then, look at this. We recovered and went actually higher than the low that we were here before the crash. So, we were up about almost 30% or so from that area right there. So that actually helped us, and then we obviously sold off again now here, hitting lows of 25, and now we're back to areas that we were trading before the flash crash that happened about 2 weeks ago or so. So that's actually good for Terra. Terra is doing very well, performing very well compared to some of these other coins. So we're close to these all-time highs for this one, up about 1,100% or so. It was trading at 30 cents last September, hit highs here in March at $22, pulled back down, consolidated for a while around this $5 area, and then we saw a boom on up about 600 to 700% in a matter of a month or two. So insane growth has happened here with Terra Coin. As we can see right here, the 14.1 billion market cap, 1.5 billion volume, pretty much the same as the day before. The all-time high on this coin is $44.34. So we're right around the corner once again, and we're going to be keeping a very close eye to see if we can break through those all-time highs again and continue this momentum play up. Now this one, 14 billion market cap, it is a little bit on the higher side, pretty much just like Polkadot. It is not a low, market cap coin, I guess you could say, but it can still move very, very quickly. As we can see here, it can move 5, 10, 15% depending on the momentum and volume that we are seeing in the crypto space. So Luna, definitely another one to add to your radar, guys, because it could continue to perform well in the future, just like Polkadot. And then third one on the list is going to be Algorand ALGO. This one, another momentum type situation, up about 6.84%, trading at around $1.96. In the past week, we are down 3.8%. In the past month, we are up 68%. So this one is actually almost at all-time highs. So it's only down about 30 or 40 cents from the all-time high that we saw, previously. So all-time high right here was trading at around $2.55. We're down about 50 cents from that area. In the past year, we're up 566% from lows of 33 cents, hitting highs here in February at 130 or 172, pulled back down all the way down to about 70 cents or so here in July. And then since then, we were actually up here highs of 250, like we said, which was up about 200 to 300% profit in a matter of a month and a half. So all these altcoins have been booming in the past, month or two, and they're all up about 100, 200, 300, maybe even higher, depending on which coin we're looking at. Now, market cap on this one is 11.2 billion, volume 878.7 million, and it's actually about 12% higher than the previous day, so volume is picking up. Typical hold time, 45 days. It is the number 11 ranked coin, 63% buy, 37% sell, and this coin is definitely gaining a lot of traction recently. So Algorand is a cryptocurrency and blockchain protocol that aims to be simultaneously scalable, secure, and decentralized. It uses a consensus algorithm called pure proof of stake. How does this work? Well, Algorand nodes, reach consensus about what should appear in the blockchain through a process called PPOS, which uses a staking system, to verify the new transactions and produce new crypto tokens. Algorand network participants are able to stake some of their algo in exchange for the chance to be randomly selected to propose a new block of verified transactions. The winner is awarded new coins, I guess you could say. And keep in mind, PPOS systems like Algorand's are more efficient than proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin in terms of electricity consumption, because they don't rely on thousands of miners spending energy to solve cryptographic puzzles for the chance to win a block reward and earn transaction fees. So this is why this coin has been, exploding in the recent times, and it's definitely something that we, like to see in the crypto space when something is better than Bitcoin in a certain section, certain category, and Algorand definitely is in that section. So that is why we're going to be adding Algorand on our number 3 spot for the list, because it is still around the same market cap as Terra and the other one at around 11 billion. So it is on a little bit on the higher side, but it can definitely continue to move on higher because we see these market caps are growing faster and faster, and definitely something that could happen here with Algorand as well. So that's going to be our third altcoin right there. And now, guys, after that list, let's take a quick look at the rest of the market and see how everything's performing. So first of all, let's talk about the meme. So Doge is pretty much flat here in the past 24 hours, making a little bit of an green movement. In the past week, we're down 7%. Past month, down 29%. So after the flash crash, went lower, continued to stay there, and then went lower here with the market again. In the past year, we're up about 8,300%, performing very nicely, obviously, from that area from 16 cents to 34 cents. And now we're seeing another pullback with Doge. 29.4 billion market cap, 68% buy, 32% sell, and it is ranked the number 8 coin. It is the meme coin, guys. It's only popular because of the meme, the Doge, and different things like that that happened at the beginning of the year. I think this coin is going to taper off in the future and become, worthless pretty much as it is already, because there's no real reason to own Doge in the future. It was just a meme coin in my opinion. We have Bitcoin, which is up about 2.5%, trading at this almost 45,000 area, 44 to 45,000 area. In the past week, we're down about 6.6%, but we did hit lows down here of about 39,000 and recovered nicely, so that's a positive. In the past month, we're down almost 10%. First flash crash from 52,000 all the way down here to about 45. Then we consolidated and then went even lower. So on the 1 year chart, we're up 315%, which is obviously nice. All-time highs at 64,000, pulling back to 29, and then hitting those highs at 53. That was really nice. Now we're seeing a pullback and hopefully another bounce on higher. 844.7 billion market cap, around 33% of the crypto market value, 85-day typical hold time, 68% buy, 32% sell, and is obviously the number 1 ranked coin. Ethereum, the number 2 ranked coin right here, up about 1%, trading around this 3,100 area. In the past week, we're down almost 13%. Past month, 6.4%. Obviously, when the flash crash happened, it went from about 3,900 all the way to about 3,400. Pulled back down, continued to go lower and lower, all the way to lows of 2,600 at one point, which is just insane to see how fast these can kind of dip right there. So big dips happen like this, and the thing that happens with this is people buy it right up. They eat it right up. You see a dip, they buy the dip. That's why I think that crypto and the stock market is going to be very, very hard to crash, because every time we see a dip, everybody thinks buy the dip type situation. So 369.2 billion market cap, 18.6 billion volume, 82 typical hold time day, 67% buy, 33% sell on Ethereum. So Ethereum is performing decent here in the past few days. So we're seeing a recovery, and hopefully we'll see this recovery continue into the weekend. We're going to be keeping a very close eye out on it to see how the crypto market moves on Saturday and Sunday as well. So stay tuned for that on the channel, guys. If you enjoy this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, when I sign up for Webull, get you 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300. Links will be in the description. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence before investing into the stock market, and make sure you understand the high risk, high reward type situation. I hope you guys enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.